How to make a payment using the reservation system. Your screen may look slightly different depending on the type of device you are using. To submit a payment, you must have a registered account and be logged into the reservation system. You also must have an already created vacation. Let's open it to see the details. Additionally, we must have an already reserved activity. As we scroll down, we notice the account summary. This area provides our current account information for this vacation. While viewing the vacation details, under the Vacation tab, select Make Payment. Here you will see all payment information related to that vacation, including past amount due, current amount due, and the account balance if there is one. You must select the amount you wish to pay before proceeding. We'll select the Click to Pay Account Current Due. Next, we'll enter our card information. Card verification value. This is the 3-digit number on Visas, MasterCards, and Discover cards, and it's a 4-digit number on American Express. Next, the 2-digit month, we'll enter 03 for March, and the 2-digit year, we'll enter 22 for 2022 under the expiration date. You're encouraged to read the terms of services, as this will provide valuable information regarding submitting payments to the resort, including cancellations and refunds. You must check the I agree to the terms of service box before submitting your payment. Choose Validate Payment Information. Once your payment information has been validated, you can now select Submit Payment. Now you have successfully submitted your payment. You will receive a confirmation message stating your payment has been processed successfully. After submitting your payment, you can view your account summary on the Vacation Details page to confirm your current account standing. We look forward to seeing you at our resort.